To be doing some accumulation, and it's going to be a single level control break program. So I say in this lab we're going to use what we have as far as accumulating. The program should produce a report for a supermarket manager to help her keep track of hours worked by her part-time employees. The report should include the day of the week, number of hours worked for each employee for each day of the week, and the total hours for the day of the week. Okay, so go through and look at, excuse me, we'll look at what we have here, and then we're going to have to set it up and input this data. Now, initially, they're giving us 3 constants: head 1, day footer, and the Sentinel. And the Sentinel's if we're done or not. Okay, and we've got the number of hours worked, previous day, and if we are done or not. So this is our control loop that will get us to keep going in the loop or get us out. That's going to be our Sentinel to get us out. Not done will be reassigned to get us out of the loop. So we're going to have to create a loop, and they've already got it set for us. While not done is equivalent to true. I don't need this equivalent to true, but to make them happy, we'll leave it in there. Okay, so we need to get this day of week. We need to collect this data. Okay, I want to collect it in here. Find out what day of the week it is. And we've got this Sentinel. If day of the week is equivalent to Sentinel, we're not done. Let's use that same thing. We'll copy that code. We'll come down here. We'll put that in. So now we've acquired input. We're checking to see if day of the week is our Sentinel, what we're going to use to get out. And if it is, I don't need not done equals. I can break and get out of the loop. Okay, so I can break and get out of the loop, and I've got this previous day. And if previous day is not equivalent to day of the week, you need to get out. Right. So let's come back up here and we'll look at what we've got up above, because we've got some more stuff we've got to add in. So we've got read first record. Day of the week is a Sentinel. We're going to get out. Else, hours worked equals input. Previous day equals day of week. Now, we've got one more that we've got to deal with in here. And what we've got to deal with is our hours total. This hours total we need to accumulate. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it in here. So hours total equals, not just equals, I'm going to do plus equals. What that does is adds whatever I have here to whatever hours total was. What I want to add to it is int hours worked. So you're going to give me the hours worked, and I'm going to count them up. Okay, and then I'm going to say, I'm going to print and go ahead and we'll tab \t, and I'll concatenate that together with this day footer. Concatenate that together with str hours total. I'll take that integer and convert it to a string. So that will have a running total of how many hours. So while we're not done, we're going to keep going through this. And we're going to acquire the day of the week. If it's the Sentinel, we break. If previous day is not equivalent to day of week, so if it's a different day, it's not the day that we had before, okay, say if, I don't want to comment this, okay, I'll copy that line, not, then hours total equals 0. Okay, we need hours worked, previous day equals day of the week. We'll get that same output again. Okay, so that's going to go following right here. Now, I don't need that same line twice. Go ahead, test and see if it, let's see what it's spitting out for us, if we're even close. It says we got issues. Friday 3, Friday 5. Indentation, expected indent block. It says on line 36, I've got a problem. It's the same problem I had the last time. I need to tab that break in. Go test it, see how it works with the break where it's supposed to be. Now I got 6 of 6, so it's happy with that. So we've got accumulators, and look and see what we've got going on. So we check the Sentinel, and if day of week is a Sentinel, we're not done. So it gets us on through. We enter all that data in. Hours worked, item by item, and let's see what they had. Monday 6, Tuesday 2. So it went through and it checked each day, and then done. Weekly hours worked. So it's printed out. Weekly hours worked. Boom, 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 boom. Everything there for us. Okay. Enter day of the week to quit. Monday. Hours worked 6. Day total 6. So here we go. Item by item went in exactly how it was supposed to be. Okay. So we got that one. We tested it. Let me see, we tested okay. We'll go ahead and shut this one